What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're heading out to an open mic in Siem Reap at Laundry Bar. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sleep. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
It's called Laundry Bar, and they do this every Wednesday night. There's an open mic, and there's a different artist or band or musician hosts it each Wednesday night, and they switch it up every week. I'm definitely going to play a couple solo songs, but it's possible if there's a bass guitar in there, I could do a couple things on bass maybe as well. We'll see how the night goes.
All right, guys. So, Possum.
This is a band called Possum Bush, and they're from Australia. They're from Australia.
Come on, Caesar. Do you think we can tell if they get you to jail? Your hair on to go. Eyelashes for trees. Hot air for a cool breeze. Cold comfort for change. Did you make a mistake? I walk on by in the wall for a legal communication.
All right, we got the next act up now. Something different.
just a moment. If I'm still wasted, I guess I better call me sick. But all I know is that it keeps me up, it keeps me up. I swear I can feel it, keep me up, it keeps me up. Simply because I don't believe I've had enough. I'd like to feel love when I wake up, then I wake up. There's no tunes. All right, let's give a round of applause to Thomas Allen from Cambodia. Check out his YouTube channel, Tom Trips Out.
All right, so the jam is done. Everyone's still hanging out. And I wanted to show you, they have an upstairs in this place. And then you can even stand here over the balcony and look down at the band. And then they have an outdoor space out here. And they do this every Wednesday. It's different artists hosting it every week, which I might have mentioned earlier, but Rod? Yeah.
Out, follow, subscribe.
That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.